South Korea today reported its highest number of coronavirus infections yet seen on a Monday at 5,817. Cases usually come down on Mondays because of fewer tests over the weekend, but the number of patients who are critically ill was still in the upper 800s, which is straining the country's medical capacity. Shin Ye-eun reports.
Health authorities have evaluated for the third week in a row that the pandemic risk is at its highest level. This comes as the number of critically ill patients has remained above 800 for the sixth straight day, with 876 critically ill as of Monday. More than 80% of all ICU beds were reportedly in use, with that figure surpassing 90% in Seoul and Incheon. To try to reduce the burden on the country's medical system, authorities have toughened restrictions from last week. This includes expanding vaccine passes to most public facilities, including restaurants, cafes, and movie theaters. The one-week grace period ended on Monday. This means everyone must now show their vaccination status through the QR check-in system or hand in a negative PCR test result taken within the previous 2 days to gain entry. Businesses who break these rules will be fined up to around $2,500, and they may be hit with temporary or even permanent suspensions if they're found to have repeatedly violated rules. Individuals who break the rules will also be fined around $85. Also on Monday, anyone aged 18 to 59 who has been fully vaccinated for more than 3 months was able to book their booster shot. This comes shortly after authorities shortened the interval between primary and booster shots from what was previously 4 or 5 months to just 3. Administration of these shots will begin on Wednesday. Those over 60 can get their booster jabs without making a reservation. Authorities are also set on ramping up teen vaccination rates. From Wednesday, medical staff will visit schools to administer vaccines to students on site. Surveys from the Education Ministry showed more than 80,000 students from 8,374 schools have signed up for these vaccines. But proportion-wise, this was still quite a low number, as only 6.9% of the unvaccinated teen population have shown their willingness to get vaccinated. Authorities said they are talking to local governments about what special measures to take if the pandemic worsens. Shin Ye-eun, Arirang News.